padamihan lang ng use case yan eh. So again, Makati City spent a few hundred millions on IoT. The current mayor is very tech savvy. Galing
Mm-mm.
niya, nakakatuwa. So nakita niya yung advantage of having IoT in their city. And I'm sure a lot of cities and municipalities are looking at the success story of Makati. In
Okay.
fact, one nice example of their trial, naglagay sila ng RFID on the street sweepers. So the street sweepers have RFID so that the government tracks or knows where they are during their during their working time. So, hindi pa pwedeng dalawang street sweepers magkasama all the time o tatlo. Di ba? O siguro, dalawa o tatlo, pero hindi pa pwede nagkukumpulan all the time. Ibig sabihin, nagchichismisan.